Hello, this is a Lexus IS200, also known as a 300 with a 3-litre engine, but I'm just going to show you today how to remove the central console to get to the radio. It's 4 stages, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Start by taking out the bottom and uncouple the plugs. Just push down on this clip and pull out. Now that comes away. Then you have 2 bolts down the bottom. You have another 2 back here. To get this off, it's a bit trickier. Just literally pull. There's the 2 bolts in there. Get a 10mm socket and undo it. One, two. I'm actually missing a bolt on this one on the right, so I'm actually only 3. Okay, and that just comes out all in one piece. And that reveals a whole lot of wires. So that's how you remove the radio.